Welcome to Aesthetic TV. I'm Dr. Andrew Ordon. Body shaping and body contouring procedures without surgery have become extremely popular over the last several years. Energy-based aesthetic devices that reduce fat and shape different body areas are attractive options for many patients. They offer relatively quick procedures with virtually no patient pain or downtime. BTL Vanquish ME from BTL Aesthetics is one such device. It employs a unique delivery system with a selective radio frequency energy field that treats broad areas of the midsection. It's a sharp contrast to some other energy-based systems which focus only on smaller localized fat deposits. With the industry's largest treatment size, this next-generation fat-reducing device provides natural-looking results across the entire abdominal and core area in just 4 to 6 short sessions. This device heats deep tissue non-invasively and without downtime, discomfort, or the need for expensive consumables. And to discuss the wide range of applications offered by BTL Vanquish ME, we've invited Dr. Jason Emer, a cosmetic dermatologist based in Beverly Hills, California. Welcome to Aesthetic TV, Jason.
Thanks for bringing me on, Dr. Ordon.
So first of all, what does ME in Vanquish ME stand for?
Well, the ME truly stands for maximum energy, because this is a radio frequency device that deeply heats, but I also think it empowers people to feel that this is them treating themselves, me.
And what led you to adopt BTL Vanquish ME in your practice?
Well, this is one of the best large size applicators to treat fat. It can treat flank to flank. It has literally no downtime or pain. There's no consumables, so for the patients it's very low cost, and it's done relatively easily. They can go work out and it doesn't stop their daily lifestyle. So it fit really well into my patient practice with very young patients looking for a small amount of improvement with almost no downtime.
Got it. And what does the Flex applicator exactly do?
So the Flex applicator delivers selective radio frequency energy to heat the deep tissue layer, creating an electromagnetic field with energy flow control to safely target the tissue. It uses a two-panel system that does not touch the patient directly, resulting in a very safe and comfortable treatment. It can also work on the saddlebags and thighs. Full results are typically achieved in 4 to 6 weeks, spaced about 1 week apart, with continuous improvement seen over the following month or so. The Flex is an outstanding non-surgical option.
That before and after is quite impressive.
It's a pretty amazing result. Fat reduction and skin tightening, you can see the contour.
No, clearly I can see that. And how does the BTL Vanquish ME stand out from other devices that are on the market?
Well, the BTL device is truly made for everybody. It's the industry's largest applicator. It's not limited by BMI. The Vanquish ME can treat people from flank to flank, leaving literally no lines of demarcation or unevenness. And what I like about it is that you can combine it with other technologies. We know there's other things such as cooling and heating, and those can treat localized areas, but on top of that, adding the Vanquish, you can get an even better result by doing a large area at once. The patients really love this procedure. It has almost no downtime, and what's great to the practice is there's no consumables, so the cost to the patient is much less, and the doctors don't have to worry about spending a fortune for the device.
So, unlike many other energy-based devices, BTL Vanquish ME does not require the use of expensive consumables. So how does that affect your bottom line in practice?
What's great is the lack of consumables really expands the population of patients that otherwise wouldn't be able to afford treatments.
I understand that you even use the device on yourself.
I almost use this device every week. I love it. It's a part of my diet and exercise routine. We have a lot of famous patients that online have been talking about using this device as a sort of a daily regimen, so we love it.
Well, I'm right across the street. Does that mean I can pop over and you can pop this thing on me?
You can come in over anytime.
All right. I'm going to hold you to that.
That's fine.
So what sort of results have you seen overall?
So most patients can expect to lose 1 inch or 2 in their circumference in the area treated after a couple weeks after having a series of treatment. The thinner or leaner patients will get more definition, they'll get contouring and toning. If you're a little bit larger, you may need more treatments, but after a series, you then can maintain the results. Patients report the treatment's extremely comfortable, feels like a hot stone massage. Most of the patients just fall asleep when they're having the treatment done.
Now, Dr. Emer, I understand that there's another BTL device that you use in combination with the BTL Vanquish ME, the BTL Cellutone.
BTL Cellutone is a therapeutic vibrator which provides mechanical massage to the treatment area. This procedure I use with the Vanquish ME because I see better outcomes. Post-treatment massage is recommended after most body sculpting procedures. It increases blood flow, lymphatic drainage, helps waste elimination, and fiber remodeling. In my experience, when you use the Cellutone with the Vanquish ME, it helps enhance the patient's experience. We see better outcomes. At the same time, it can achieve much more consistent and fast results. Because we saw more dramatically improved results and significantly faster outcomes, we no longer use the Vanquish ME alone without the Cellutone.
Now, we have an interesting before and after photo that shows what you can accomplish using this combination treatment.
And you can see an even more of a reduction in fat and improvement in the treatment area.
And Dr. Emer, are there any other combination treatments you can perform that involve the BTL Vanquish?
Many medical practices currently offer cool sculpting, which is cooling from Zeltiq to remove fat. They should be offering the Vanquish treatments as well. We call this the fire and ice combination. The cooling removes the fat and then the heating causes even more reduction in fat. The idea is you debulk the area with the Vanquish ME and then you could spot treat using the cool sculpting. Patients realize that you need a customized treatment so that you can get no lines of demarcation or unevenness after a cool sculpting, and it's much more affordable in a treatment package for patients.
You know, kudos to BTL for designing such a versatile device. I want to thank Dr. Emer for helping us understand how BTL Vanquish ME works and explaining how providers can help build a profitable body shaping practice. For Aesthetic TV, I'm Dr. Andrew Ordon. Stay tuned and stay beautiful.